Ta-da! Look at this beautiful and big one room. Look at this big bed. Ta-da! Look, and you don't need to buy anything. Hi everyone, this is K Housing and my name is Emily. As you know, it's really hard to find a house in Korea, but there is two types of the living and staying in Korea. There is co-housing and common housing, and also living alone. As you know, Korean really likes to live alone, and the one-room places is very popular in Korea. Today I'm gonna show you two types of the house, one room. Let's go, let's see. This house is the Arena House, and the location of this house is in the middle of the Yeonju and Shinonhyang station. Let's see what is inside. When you come to the inside, here is the safety password that only users can know. The house that we're gonna show today is in the third floor. Let's go. Ta-da! Look at this beautiful and big one room. Actually, I first time see that kind of big one room in Korea. The first thing that I amazed is this big bed. Look at this big bed. Also near to the bed we have two windows and we have blind where you can control the light in the room. I want to show you from this one. You can put your clothes here, you can put your things here, and it's really big until the ceiling. And also look at this TV. Oh my god! There is some rooms where you have that kind of big TV. Also, we have here the things to put and microwave. And there is one more wardrobe. Look here, you have also the blankets and you can put another things here. You put your coat here, and I want to live here. And we have one more wardrobe, also big and nice with small. And you know, I thought this is also a wardrobe, but this is a really big refrigerator. Look at this big and nice. Here we have a kitchen. It's kind of studio apartment, so you have things to put here. Your clothes for the kitchen. Also cook here. Put your clothes to the laundry, and also put some things for cooking also here. But also we have one more wardrobe. Is this for shoes? You see, it's really big and you can put your all shoes here, and I think there will be one more place. The most important part in the room, of course, is the bathroom. So I'm gonna show you the bathroom inside. Wow! I think this bathroom is from the hotel, you know. The bathroom look like really nice, stylish, with a really good brick and for the stone. Also, you have a big mirror where you can see yourself every morning, you know. And to put some things for the washing, your makeup, your shampoo, everything. And here we have a place for the washing your hands. It's really comfortable, and we have places to put the soap. So here we have every furniture. You don't need anything. Also here is some place to put the towel. Yes, it's really nice. The most big advantage of this room is that every furniture in this room is existed and you don't need to buy anything. And the furniture and every design of this and style of this room is well thought. Even the marble stone giving us the luxurious feeling. And the price for this room is 1 million won for the deposit and 1 million won for the room, and also utility fee is 80,000 won. It is quite expensive, but for this room, for this big room, this is really good price, and this building is in the center of the Gangnam. And now we are gonna see the second house that is also the same price and also nearby. I think we can kind of compare them together.